everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cooper and I'm a 25-year-old cash budger who's saving for the future, specifically an emergency fund and a school fund. And I'm also the owner of Purely Budgets over on Etsy, which you can always find in the description box down below. In today's video, we're gonna be cash stuffing $520. Yesterday, we went ahead and cash planned it. Make sure to go ahead and check out that video because within the first few minutes of that video, I talked about some possible changes coming to my YouTube channel. And I do want your guys' opinion on it just because, yes, this channel, I started to hold myself accountable, but it's also for you guys. It isn't for your guys' entertainment and for you guys to follow on my journey. But I did want to change some things up. And so I wanted to see what you guys thought about that. So make sure to check that video out. Before we actually jump into cash stuffing, I am actually going to open up some Happy Mail. And I'm so excited about this, you guys. You guys have no idea. I have the package off to the side, so I'm just gonna grab it real quick. And I'm not gonna show the front, but this package does come from Be the Happy Turtle, Chelsea. You can find her over on Instagram and she will be linked down in the description box below. I do believe that she does have a YouTube channel. If she does, I will also link it. But I'm actually so excited about this because she has created something that it's not in the budgeting community, and I am obsessed with it. I am actually, over this past weekend, a few of us were talking, and so many people are coming out with such innovative items, including myself and a few of my other friends in the community. So actually check out a video coming later, actually tomorrow. So tomorrow I actually have a video coming out. It is my August Etsy launch, and there are some items in there that you guys have never seen before in the budgeting community. So make sure you guys check that video out tomorrow. But I saw these items on her shop, and she actually has been a supporter of mine before, and she dropped these items. They are her first ever savings challenges because she was selling, I think, journaling stickers. If I'm wrong and Chelsea, you're watching this, I'm so sorry. Definitely correct me. But I think she started out selling planning journal or planning stickers or just stickers in general. But then she started releasing these menu savings challenges, and I had to get my hands on them. I ordered 5, but this is what she sent over. I want to say these are her freebies. So she sent over this gorgeous black teardrop paper clip, and I'll set that off to the side. Then she did this, and I can't tell. Chelsea, did you write on this, or is this, okay, I'm taking it out of screen. I want to say she wrote my name like that. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's stunning. Your penmanship is gorgeous. And this calligraphy here, so jealous if you actually did that yourself, because that is some hard stuff to do. But it says, Cooper, thank you so much for your support and order. I hope you enjoy everything. And her and I actually have conversated a few times over on Instagram. And here's another one. This is her thank you card. It is beautiful. I love like the turtles and like the green aspect of everything. And these look like freebies. So she included secret menu number 1, and each item is actually a different sort of menu. So we'll kind of talk about them. But this first one is a secret menu. Looks like small bites of gratitude. So the Happy Meal hug, mini moments of thanks. We have the entrees, which is supporter's supreme gift, custom love letter. Then we have our desserts, tiny token of thanks, and a just because surprise. This is so cute. And each little thing has a little description of what it is below it. And then she did this one, which is the Be the Happy Turtles ice cream parlor. This one will save you $48 by the time you're done with it. And each ice cream has its own amount of money. Let's talk real quick. I am obsessed with butter pecan ice cream. It is such an old person ice cream, but I love it so much. And obviously the staples, vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. I'm not a big chocolate fan, sue me, but I'm not the biggest chocolate ice cream fan, so you won't really catch me ever eating that, but I will enjoy and indulge in any other ice cream. These are the freebies she sent over, so thank you so much, Chelsea. But the actual items, so I ordered 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let me see if I can put these in a way that I think they'll look well. Okay, so the first one that I got is the menu gelato, and I love this blue and orange color scheme. I think it is absolutely stunning. We got the checkered here and the stars, which I love. You guys know I'm a star fan. And then this one will save you $30. So we have the moonlight mango, berry bloom, hazelnut hush, tropical twirl. Yeah, is that what that says? Salted honey grave, and choco mint drift. So this one will save you $30. I'm gonna bring this closer to the camera. Excuse my ugly nails. Look how stunning this is. And the camera makes it look like it's kind of like a more dark blue, and it is, but it looks more muted on camera than it does in person, but I love it so much. The next one is the Be the Happy Turtle milkshake menu. Look how stunning this is. This one's $55, so we have a little bit more. Oh my God, I didn't even notice it's got toppings and add-ons here. So we have whipped cream, chocolate drizzle, extra scoop of ice cream, chocolate chip cookie crumbles, and caramel drizzle. I love this. And I love how everything, like the highest number is 8 on here. And the reason I bought these is because I thought, you know, Freebie Fridays, Mini Mondays, Sunday savings would be like the best time to play these. And they kind of, my thought process and what's changing in my shop kind of revolves around Mini Mondays. So that's why I said check out yesterday's video. But I'm obsessed with this one. This one's so cute. And then I got her cupcake one. So we have all the cupcakes. This one will save you $45. The next one that I got, which is a little higher denominations, is her cookies. And this is like the cookie menu, and we have all different types of cookies here. Looks like the highest number is a 7. Like that is so doable. And like, although you're saving a lot of money, like the highest number is less than 10. That is crazy. And then you guys, I got one that it's gonna take a while because it's $130, but I had to grab the coffee one. So I grabbed her coffee menu. Look at this. I just love like the retro feel to it, the browns. It called my name. We have the stars, we have the checkered board, we have the coffee, and like, I mean, come on, Chelsea, like you just did it. Like we have our just typical espressos and coffees. Then we have the specialty drinks, and I am a pumpkin spice fan. Would I say I'm a pumpkin spice latte fan? Yes and no. I have to be in the mood for it, but there are so many other coffee shops in my area that do pumpkin differently. Like Black Rock, that is by me, has a pumpkin blondie, so it's like a blonde roast, but it's so good. And then obviously if I go to Starbucks, I'm gonna get the pumpkin cream cold brew. I'm not getting a PSL. Pumpkin cream cold brew is the way to go with a pumpkin cream cheese muffin, and you cannot tell me any different. But you guys know I am a coffee lover, so had to grab that. And that is honestly it. So I just want to say thank you so much to Chelsea for these freebies, and thank you for putting out some amazing items. These are so cute. So like I said, she'll be linked in the description box below with whatever socials that she has. I definitely know Instagram, her Etsy, and I want to say she does have a YouTube, but don't quote me on that. But with that being said, we're just going to jump right into the cash stuffing. So I'm going to grab my everyday binder here like we always start off with. And we will start here for our car insurance. And with that being said, this binder is going to be changing soon. And I'm not going to say why or when because I'm still waiting on my things to come in. But this one's going to get $72. So we are almost done with this, and my actual insurance is due in October. So October 1st is when my insurance is actually due. So I am way ahead of this. I have 2 more icons to go before I hit the full 1,200. So I have 500, 900 in the bank, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So 1,100, 20, 40, 60. No, something is not right here. Hold on. 500 in the bank, 400 in the bank, so that is 900, 1,000, so that is correct. So 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, so 1,100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 1,200. That's not right. I can't be completed with this already. No. Okay, so 500, 900. I'm recounting this, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm kind of shell-shocked because I obviously must have not colored something off. So we got 500, 900, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So 1,100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, another 100. So 1,200. So we are done with this. I'm fully funded in this, and I still have a month to go. That is amazing. I didn't even realize that. Like, I am 100% shocked right now. But we're just gonna move on, because if I don't, I'm just gonna harp on it the entire time. So this next one's gonna get $30, and this is going to be my Christmas. So in here we have 700 in the bank, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800. I swear, oh God, 800, 20, 30, 40. So $840. We need 60 more dollars to go. I must have, in my last cash stuffing, must not have colored these off because this tracker's off completely. So I will have to make sure that that is correct after this, because obviously I can't go off what my trackers are saying right now because they're not 100% correct. So in my school, we're putting 250. So I have 8,500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1,000. So we're sitting at $9,000 in here already. And I'm surpassed at this point over 10,000 because of a few other envelopes that I'm also working on, which is going to be this one here. This one does go towards my school once it's all completed. But for now, we're gonna be putting $4 in there. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so in here in the bank, we have 850, 870, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 898. So I need $102 to complete this challenge. And I will double check that that is all correct at the end with the numbers that I have left, just because I'm finding out that I did not color off my stuff last time. So this one's gonna get $10 for my Mean Girls collab. So this one's got 400 in the bank, 20, 30, 40, and 50, which is correct. Yeah, see, this one's not correct either. So I have 20, 30, 40. So I'm gonna have to go through all my trackers and make sure that they are correct. The next one is going to be my hair care, and we are just gonna put $20 into there. That's the only thing that's gonna be in there. And then the next one is going to be my car maintenance. We're gonna be doing $5 in here. I'm due for an oil change soon, so I will be getting that completed, which means I will be unstuffing this. I have something in my envelope. Okay, so I have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65 in here. Is that correct? That is correct, okay. And then we're gonna skip coffee for today, and we're gonna go directly into travel. Travel's just gonna get $5 here, and there went a star note. We got 20, 40, 60, 81, 5, 10, and 15. So $115 in there. And today is the 25th. Tomorrow, I have to set reservations to go to Din Tai Fung for when we are out in California, because they only release them about a month in advance. It's like a month and a day. So if I want to get a reservation on the 25th, I need to start the reservation process on the 26th. So I'm hoping I can get a hold of something for September 25th out in Disneyland. I know it's going to go quick, so I need to be on top of it. The next one we are going to do is in my month ahead binder, and we're going to be doing $35 into here. So 20, a 30, and a 5. And so, yeah, so we are going out to California for a very large trip. And the reason we are going out there is for some concerts. We are also going to be celebrating my fiance's 25th birthday. We are going to Disneyland. We're going to 2 concerts. We're going to be flying from Phoenix to San Francisco, then from San Francisco to LA. So it's quite a large trip, but I'm actually really excited about it. In here, we have 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 30. That's not correct. Let me recount that real fast. So I have 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95. So 595 in here. So $5 more and we'll be at 600, which is 2 car payments. Is that correct? Yeah, that's 2 car payments. Okay, so the next one is going to be my, what do you want to call this? Jesus, my rent. I don't know why. It's sitting right there in front of me and I can't even figure out what to call it. So I have 500, 800 in the bank, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 925. We are making great progress on this. I want to say this is 2 months ahead, so we're almost 2 months ahead at this point. The next one is going to be my phone, which is going to get $30. And in here we got 500, 400, so that's 900 in the bank. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 1,080 in my phone. This is almost pretty much 1 year ahead at this point. We are well over, we're at 1,080. So that's technically 10 months ahead on my phone bill. So we're almost there at this point. The next one is going to be my subscriptions, which is going to get $13, the last ones and the last 5. In the bank, I have 513, 523, 533, 543, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 555 in here. And the reason I have my interest in there is because the 31st of every month, I have started reallocating and rehoming my interest. Only in my high yield savings account, that is like my everyday one, where when I do my unstuffings and condensings, I take it back to a specific bank, and the interest that's in there, I now rehome it so that every dollar and including cents has a place in a bank account, in an envelope, because I had a little bit of a problem where I was pretty much breaking even to what was on my in the bank trackers and what was in the bank, which sounds good, but it really isn't, because I lost a bunch of interest, so I don't know where it went. I must have made some transfers at some point, and I didn't keep track of it like I should have. It was a newbie mistake and a rookie mistake, so I have fixed it. I've implemented a system on my own to try to make sure that my interest has a home and that I am not breaking even. I'm actually positive in the bank account compared to what I have on my trackers, but that is beside the point. This last envelope is going to get the $20. This is my yearly 1K challenge from the Remarkable Dollar. We have finished August at this point. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, and 90. So $90 into here, and we will start working on September now. Let's see. September's got a 35 on there. So we will have to stuff that with my reallocation money so that it doesn't come out of my paycheck. But that is it for today's video. So we have no more money. We have nothing more to talk about. We have nothing more to stuff. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for staying to this point in the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when the new video is uploaded. And with that being said, we'll see you in the next one.